Welcome to Neurolink Stillness. This is your space to reset, release tension, and reprogram your mind for calm and clarity. Find a comfortable position, close your eyes, and let your breath become soft and slow. With each inhale, invite ease. With each exhale, let go of any heaviness. Your transformation begins now. Welcome to the sacred space of becoming, a space where you are already enough and where every breath is an act of self-love. Begin by finding a comfortable position, allowing your body to be supported, and as you do, you can simply notice the weight of your body releasing into the surface beneath you, and you can begin to notice your breathing, not trying to change it, just noticing the natural rhythm, the gentle rise, and the gentle fall. Take a breath, and with each exhale, you can allow a little more tension to melt away, a little more effort to dissolve. I am here in this moment, safe and supported, and it's okay to simply be exactly as you are. And you might begin to notice how your mind has been working so hard, carrying thoughts of how you should be or what you should have done differently. And for now, you can thank that part of your mind for its care, and gently, you can set those thoughts aside, like placing a heavy bag on the ground, knowing you can pick it up later if you choose, but for now, you are free to just be here. With the next breath in, imagine breathing in a soft, warm light, a light of pure acceptance. Take a breath, and as you exhale, you breathe out any resistance, any old story that says you are not worthy of this peace. And you can begin to recall a moment, any moment, no matter how brief, when you felt a flicker of peace with yourself, perhaps after a kind act, or in a moment of quiet nature, or simply after a truthful sigh. Recall that moment now, and as you do, notice what you saw in that moment, the colors, the light. Notice what you heard, or the quality of the silence. And most importantly, begin to feel what you felt in your body. A softening, a warmth, a gentle ease. And as you feel that, you can gently press your thumb and forefinger together, creating a simple anchor, a neurological link between this feeling of peaceful acceptance and this gentle touch. Good. Now, releasing the memory, but keeping the feeling anchored right here in your fingertips and in your heart. Now, we begin from this place of anchored peace. I am here, fully present in my own life. I am worthy of my own love, simply because I exist. With every heartbeat, I am reminded I am alive. I am here, and that is enough. I choose to meet myself with compassion. I release the need to be perfect, to be anything other than what I am in this moment. And in this release, I find a profound freedom, a deep and lasting peace. I accept my journey, every step that has brought me here. I accept my feelings, all of them, as valid messengers. I accept my body as my sacred home. In this lifetime, my mind is learning to speak to me as a cherished friend, with kindness, with patience, with unwavering support, and this friendship with myself grows stronger and more natural with every breath I take. Take a breath. I am allowed to take up space. My needs are important. My voice matters. My presence is a gift to this world and to myself. I forgive myself for past judgments. I forgive myself for moments I thought I was not enough. And in this forgiveness, I make space for a love that has always been there, waiting to be acknowledged. Love flows to me. Love flows through me. And it begins with the love I choose to give to myself. Right now, I am complete. I am whole. Nothing is missing. I am already everything I need to be. This sense of wholeness is not something to achieve. It is something to remember, to feel in the center of your chest, to know in the quiet of your mind. And you might notice how your anchored feeling of peace grows warmer and spreads with each affirmation you hear and know to be true. My worth is not conditional. It is as constant as my breath. Take a breath, as steady as my heartbeat. I now bless my past self for all it endured and learned. I love my present self for showing up, for having the courage to be here. Now, I trust my future self to continue this journey of gentle acceptance. Today, I carry this anchor of self-love with me. A gentle touch of thumb and finger will instantly reconnect me to this deep pool of acceptance within. This resource is always available. I am always available to myself. Now, gently begin to bring your awareness back to the room around you, feeling the support beneath you, hearing the sounds around you, carrying this profound sense of acceptance back with you. When you are ready, you may gently flutter your eyes open, knowing that a fundamental shift has occurred, knowing that you are loved by the most important person in your life. You welcome back to a world where you move through it anchored in your own worth, filled with your own peace, and radiating your own authentic love. This meditation is complete.